Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff, and today we'll be going over how to pack your brand new Gore-Tex or Hardshell jackets so that it folds nicely and you can store it in your pack when you're out about on an adventure. First, we'll start with the Zeta SL. The Zeta SL is pack light, so it is one of the easiest jackets to pack as there are less features on it, and the material is very thin, making it really easy to roll together. I usually make the width of the roll about the same size as the hood, as the end of the roll will pack into the hood. As we roll up slowly, note that the sleeves will bunch up because of the way the pattern, so you might need to stretch it out a little bit so that it makes a nice even flat surface, or else you might get a bunched up spot. And finally, you can pull the drawstring cord on the back of the hood if you like to tug it in a little more. Next up, we have a woman's Zeta AR in the size medium. Some things to watch out for are that I usually never zip the jackets together as I roll them together, so that when I pull out of the pack, it'll be ready to go, because if I'm pulling out of the pack, chances are it's raining or it's really windy and I need protection right away. If you're packing or storing for long journeys, example in your backpack or in a suitcase, zipping up the jacket would make it easier to fold up nicely, as the seams won't overlap each other. Next up, we have a Beta SB in a size large, men's. Since the Beta SB has so many features, it is one of the harder jackets to pack down nicely because of all the zippers, pit zips, chest pockets and whatnot that all overlap and around the same area. So as always, you want to make the shoulder area as flush as possible so that when you roll it together, you don't get clumps of fabric together. And I usually tend to roll it somewhat firm, but not too firm, as in you don't want to pack down the Gore-Tex so much that there are sharp edges in the fabric. Because as you know, if you pack or roll up Gore-Tex, it'll get really wrinkly. However, just hanging it or wearing it, the creases and the fold will straighten itself out in a few days. Lastly, we have a Valence Aeris shell, which is seen it. It has minimal features, just a couple zippers. And as always, try and make the roll as wide as your hood so that when it rolls up into the hood, it's nice and flush. I hope this video was helpful for you if you're used to stuffing your jacket into your backpack. By rolling it up into the hood, you create a nice compact little pouch, which allows you to rearrange your internal backpack even better. And also save space. It'll create less wrinkles than if you were to stuff it in completely into your backpack. And when you take it out, it'll be right where you put it. Rolling it up nicely will allow you to place it closer to the top of the backpack where it's easily accessible, so you will have it ready to go, and if you roll it up unzipped, it will be ready to go and ready to put on as soon as you take it out of your backpack. Stay safe, stay dry, stay protected on your next adventure, and I hope to see you in the next video.